In this video, I'm going to show you some other basic editing. This is going to be paragraph formatting. So we're going to learn how to change the text for the entire paragraph in this case. So in this case, we're going to click on the placeholder. And when we click on the placeholder, it actually selects all the text in the entire area, in this entire placeholder. Okay, so make sure that it's selected. It should be a solid line instead of a dotted line. Okay, and notice when you first created this slide, you probably had this bullet point. Because of the type of slide that we chose, this is a bulleted slide, so it's going to automatically put a bullet point. But in this case, we're using this slide more just for a paragraph, so maybe we want to get rid of that bullet point. Very easy to do. Just make sure that placeholder is selected, and then we can go up here and click on this bullets button. If we click on the big part of the button, it will turn the bullets off, or we can click on the down arrow and choose none. Okay, so either of those works, and notice the bullet is no longer there. It's not really needed in this case. Now we still have the entire placeholder selected, and in this case what we want to do is we want to make all the text larger. Now we could in this case drag through this text to select it all and then make it larger to fill up the area, but I think in this case it's easier to select the placeholder, and then we're going to use this button here. And we're going to just keep increasing the font one click at a time. Notice over here the number goes up until the text fills up the space. Now once you get to this, see the text filling up the space, if you would go one further, notice it does it a little bit larger, but it's going to keep the text. It went up to 19 point, but it's not going to go up any further because your placeholder is this perfect size right here. So it's going to fill it up and then stop. So that makes it really nice. So you can't get outside of that placeholder. So if we want it a little smaller, of course, you just click on the decrease font size until you get it to the size that looks good for you. So that is some really basic paragraph formatting. We'll learn some more in another video.